Okay, so this is a MixedCast hybrid K5LA PVC train horn. And I've got 3 different types of diaphragms in here. That one is a plastic Tupperware diaphragm. That one is a plastic coffee can diaphragm. And these 2 have 1 diaphragm in it. These 3 are thin aluminum diaphragms with a dual diaphragm setup. And this horn will be blown at 100 psi. Open the regulator up to 100. See 100 psi right there. And it'll be getting blown at 100. And this thing eats up a lot of air too.